recognizes the impact of being on X, especially as he looks to energize his core supporters who have been following his social postings since he rose to the presidency in 2016. But there is no guarantee an X exchange will provide a political boost. Sources close to the Trump campaign tell CBS News that privately, some aides and donors are increasingly on edge about Trump's ability.
The following message is transmitted at the request of civil authorities. At 3:12 p.m. Eastern Time, a mysterious creature going by the name of Bella the Wolf has been seen lurking around neighborhoods and vandalizing religious buildings in these neighborhoods. If you see this creature, do not approach it. Immediately call 911 or your local animal control and they will attempt to contain the beast. This beast has been known also to insult our soldiers. If you approach this beast, your death is almost 100% certain. Do not approach this beast under any circumstances. Stay indoors and lock your doors. Lock your windows. Do not leave your house until the all clear has been issued. I repeat, do not leave your homes until the all clear has been issued. Thank you for your cooperation. We will provide more updates as the situation continues.
Doggy Jams.
Hey yo, Eazy-D here. Hey, going off on Bella the Wolf. Hey, shit's gotta give. Hear me, Bella? Shit's gotta fucking give.
Doggy Jams.
Damn, can't believe I'm doing this shit to a motherfucking gotcha creator on YouTube. She's saying shit about our soldier. They're the only reason that you're fucking alive. Saying shit about our religion. That's fucked up too. Especially how you kill fucking animals. You a fucking Satanist. Hey. Saying shit about our fucking religion. Hey, guess what? That's why Bellaism is a motherfucking cult. Supporting fucking Satan. Hey, that's right, cracker. You've been exposed. Hey, just like the part how you leaked the 10-year-old fucking phone number. You know, that boy named Miles, boy who has more subs than you on fucking YouTube. Hey, he's got more popularity cause he has more fucking sin. Hey, and he has more fucking values. Not talking about religion or beheading motherfucking soldier. Hey, or about the part how you hired someone to be your motherfucking father. Damn, that's fucked up. Just like how your fucking mother never said that she loved you. Hey, that's fucked up, cracker. Just like how you got burnt to a crisp by a pack dog. But it's my turn, and I'm doing it with flavor. Hey, mentioning everything. You can thank Steak for that. Hey, anti-records for exposing you. Hey, you get pissed, and then you send him gore. That's fucked up. He's just trying to help you be a better person, which is motherfucking impossible now. We all know how fucked up of a person you is. Hey, guess what? That's why this is justice for Miles and for fucking Tyree Cords. This goes out to you guys and every other motherfucking victim of this bitch. Hey, yeah. Trying to dogs me, trying to dogs any motherfucker. Gonna be a bad thing on your part, cause I'll roll on your motherfucking block, spray you to bits. Hey, with a motherfucking AK or a motherfucking Glock 18 with a fucking switch. Hey, 50 holes in your motherfucking head. And if fucking finesse wanna fuck with me, spray ass apart. Hey, leave you in the motherfucking ground 6 feet deep, 50 bullets in your fucking head. Hey, yeah, that's right, cracker. Thought Eazy-D was playing. He ain't about the shit. Spray your ass in half. Hey, spray prayer as in half, bitch. Ay, yo, Eazy-D signing off on a motherfucking diss track on Bella the Wolf. Ay, thought she could say her bullshit. That shit finna get her killed. Ay, get that straight, bitch.
Lucky Jams.
All clear. All clear. You may now leave.